Let's see what happens.
Metal ingots along with sand were precious cargo in this physics class experiment. VMA physics students built boats out of cardboard, plastic tubes, and plastic containers, hoping they would float.
So today in physics, we were making boats and trying to figure out what their buoyancy is, so that we could fill them up with as much weight as possible, and then see if they would float. So we had a plastic container that we filled up with sand, and ours floated. But now we are trying to figure out if we could have potentially filled it up with more sand and if it would have floated.
Students calculated to see whether their boats would sink or float before they put them in the water for the first time. Once they finished their calculations, they tested them.
They're about half full.
Okay.
We have flotation.
Yay! We did it, and that's pretty dang It's right at the top.
That's not bad.
It's kind of relieving because we thought it was definitely going to sink because we put a lot of sand in it at first and it didn't look right. So then we took some out. We're still working on the calculations, and then it floated, and it was like, yay, we did it right somehow.
Some students' boats were very close to not floating, but they got lucky.
It's pretty tipsy.
Is it?
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Surface tension for the win.
Oh my gosh, that is a winner! All right. I'm just going to say that's 0 freeboard.
Wow.
Nice calculation. Well done.
A little bit over here.
Sweet. That's beautiful. You guys did it.
Okay, grab it before it sinks.
Nice work.
Not only was this an exciting activity to do, but it helped the students get a better understanding for the lesson being taught.
Definitely a really great way to learn, doing hands-on activities like this. It really reinforces the lesson that we're learning, and it's also just a lot of fun.
Brilliant. Well done.
Madison Bailey, VMA News.